Hey friends, if you wish to restore missing or deleted services in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. I will stick to two solutions only because performing an SFC scan registry level fixes, all of them are useless. Registry level fixes can be useful, but that would need a lot of time. So I'll just stick to two solutions. The first one is system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on Open System Restore, click on Next, choose a good restore point, and then click on Scan for affected programs. So it will tell you about the programs and also the services which were removed. Now in my case, you might not see any specific services because I didn't remove any services, but if it happened in your system, you will notice it. Click on Next and then Finish and then start with the procedure. But if this doesn't work, then still don't go for the registry level fixes. Straight away try a cloud download. That will need less time. Before performing a cloud download, back up your system. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery, click on reset PC, select remove everything, wait for it to load and then select cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.